Now let's take deep dive into the US market, where S&P 500 index stocks categorized by sector in industry, which size represents for the market cap. And we're going to start with one of the largest industry within the S&P 500, with Microsoft is down by 0.0%. This morning, we can see it's a bit negative, and Adobe also red color showing is down by negative 1.48% this morning. And for the Oracle, we see the opposite of Adobe, which has green waves and forecast quarterly revenue below estimates on Monday for Oracle, as an uncertain economy and competition in the cloud computing market weighed on demand for its cloud offerings, sending its shares down more than 7% in extended trading. Sticky inflation and high borrowing costs have forced firms to cut back on expenditure, hurting companies like Oracle that depends on enterprise spending. In October, Google parent Alphabet also reported the slowest growth in its cloud division in at least 11 quarters, raising concerns over demand. A big drag on results might have been from the center business Oracle acquired last year, as well as continued sluggish enterprise spending, according to Jill Luria, a research analyst at D.A. Davidson. For the current quarter, Oracle forecasts revenue growth, including Sentinel, to be in the range of 6% until 8%, the midpoint of which is below analysts' average estimate for growth of about 7.6%, and this is according to LSG data. And for Apple, we can see is up this morning. We can see a bit green wave. Apple is up by 1.67%, and Apple has offered to let rivals access its tap-and-go mobile payments system used for mobile wallets. Three people familiar with the matter said a move that could settle EU antitrust charges and stave off a possible hefty fine. The EU competition enforcers last year charged Apple with curbing rivals' access to its tap-and-go technology, near-field communication NFC, making it difficult for them to develop rival services on Apple devices. The group said it will work with academics, policymakers, and companies on digital openness and how this can be achieved in Europe through the implementation of Digital Markets Act, DMA, and in future EU regulatory framework developments. The DMA requires gatekeepers, tech giants that control access to their platform to allow third parties to interoperate with the gatekeepers' own services and allow their businesses users to promote their offer and conclude contracts and the customer outside the gatekeeper's platform. And for NVIDIA, under the semiconductor sector, is up by 0.90%. For Google, is also up by 0.25%. And Meta is also up as of this morning to 0.16%. And for the internet retail sectors, Amazon this morning is up by 0.92%, and Tesla for the automation is also up by 0.96%. As you can see, if you zoom out the S&P 500, we can see a big green wave, and that's some of the update for the US market as of this morning. Keep tuning with Niaga AWANI as we bring you the latest trends and regional markets insight every morning.